Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to crochet back loop stitches, back loop single crochet and back loop double crochet. Let's make a first loop. Let me show you again how I am making a first loop. Twist your thread around your two finger, then pass your hook inside and bring that running thread out. Now pull the running thread and make it standard size of loop to pass your hook. Few chains. I'm using my leftover yarn and hook number G 4 mm because my yarn is medium size, medium weight number 3. Now I have 13 chains and we are going to turn back. Second chain from the hook, we need to make a single crochet. So first I will show you how to work on crochet back loop single crochet. So first row is usually standard way. We need to crochet single crochet. Then we are going to have a back loop for our back loop single crochet. Already. So our first row is completed. Now you will see, we kind of chain on the top. Turn our piece with one chain 1, turn. From here we need to work on a back loop. So our back loop is this one. You see, this all are our back loop. Here. So this is our back loop, and how we are going to work. Chain 1 we turned already, and this is our back loop. Bring the yarn out, single crochet, back loop, bring your yarn out, single crochet. See, this is our back loop. Single crochet, this is our back loop. See, this is the one back loop. Here, back loop. I guess you got it now. All back loops, and it will give you really nice edge and front. You see. Now again, one more time I will show you the second row. Chain 1, turn. Now our back loop is here. You see, back loop. This is our back loop, single crochet, pass your hook from back loop, single crochet, pass your hook from back loop, single crochet, pass your hook from back loop, single crochet. So only working on a back loop, we are single crocheting around entire row completed. So both side we are going to have this kind of edge. You see, here and there. Let's do one more row. It will be really nice pattern. If you want to use this on any blanket, back loop, I mean any blanket, any cardigan, hat. This is a pretty pattern. Back loop, back loop. You see how it's look like? This is our back loop single crochet. Now I'm going to show you how to work on back loop double crochet. We are going to use the same method of base chain. Create the first loop. We can have a few chains. Just randomly estimated chains I will show you. Now turning back, we can have a single crochet or double crochet. Let's make a double crochet. So 1 2 3 4, third chain from the hook we are going to make our first double crochet. Now all double crochet over all chains, double crochet, double crochet. Double crochet. Oops, I was out of camera. Oh, my bad. Sorry. Double crochet, double crochet. Okay. So first row we created double crochet. Now we are going to turn back, having 3 chains and turning back. Okay, the second, because the first 3 chain also counted as DC, first DC. So second stitch, back loop. Now you'll see this is our back loop. Pass your hook from there and create double crochet. Pass your hook from the back loop, bring yarn out from the 2 loops, then bring your yarn out from other 2 loops. Again, pass your hook from the back loop, bring your yarn out from 2 loops. Now again bring your yarn from 2 loops. So back loop here, DC, back loop and DC. Use the back loop and DC. So nice edge creating over 2 rows, and we are going to turn back. Three chains, turning back, using back loop, DC, using back loop, DC, using a back loop and DC, using back loop. Oops. Oh. Using the back loop and DC, using the back loop and DC, using the back loop and DC over it, using the back loop and DC. Chain 3, one more row we are going to work on it. You see how the back loop here. back loop, back loop, back loop, DC, back loop, DC, back loop, DC, and back loop, DC. So that's how our back loop DC look like. You see, and the wrong side, this is the right side where the edge is creating in between two rows. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my channel.